Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this vintage Citizen alarm chronograph watch, most likely from the 90s, with a water resistance of 100 meters. This is a very complex quartz movement by Citizen with a lot of functions. As you can see right here, we can switch using this pusher between all of these. As you can see, now we have the time and we have the regular tick. Then if I press here, I'll be able to switch between all those extra functions. As you can see, alarm. Then we have the second alarm. As you can see here, we also have the 0 position, I believe. Then we have the chrono function. And as you can see, we have a lot of features that you can switch in between in order to operate this watch. I'm going to make a full tutorial about it. So a very nice and interesting piece, as you can see, with the original signed screw down back, all the 4 buttons right here, each with a different function. So a very nice and interesting watch. We have placed the watch on this vintage 90s extensible stainless steel bracelet so that it keeps this retro look. As you can see, we have a large selection of vintage 90s and 80s Citizen quartz mechanical watches, also an eco drive. Here we have the chronograph version, so a lot of beautiful Citizen pieces, Japanese watches. If you want to check them out, make sure to check out the link in the description below to our website vintageradar.com. And if you enjoy this type of videos, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to give the thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.